Hi and welcome back. This is the code. We are at the Arc Build Mumbai. मेरे साथ हैं दीपक जोशी सर जो डायरेक्टर हैं सेल्स एंड मार्केटिंग at Garware, right?
Yes.
Sir, what kind of a construction tech are you displaying today? किस तरीके के products आज आपने showcase किए हैं, कुछ थोड़ा guide करिए.
Yeah. So first, Garware High Tech Films Limited is a 90 years old organization, and this is a world leader in making high technology films.
Correct.
The films which you apply on the glass that reduce the temperature inside of and makes it comfortable. Then there are what we are showcasing here is another kind of film as well, which is safety films. Like in shower cubicles, we have seen many incidents when the guests open in a hotel room and the glass breaks. So we have a film which completely stops the shattering of the glass. So we are showcasing here the film which reduces the temperature, which saves you from harmful UV rays, and finally it protects you from the shattering of the glasses.
So laminated glass की जरूरत नहीं है basically अब.
Yeah, जरूरत नहीं है. If you use our films, it's economical, it's high class, but at the same time it gives you UV protection also.
What about the security aspect? So laminated glass is usually much more safe.
Yeah.
Because it doesn't shatter. जल्दी नहीं टूटता है.
Yeah.
And it has a double layer,
Yeah.
which is a sandwich glass, right?
Yeah, yeah.
In this, you're saying a single toughened glass, and we put the film on.
Yes.
It is only holding the glass together to that
Yeah,
film, correct?
Yeah.
क्या ड्यूरेबिलिटी उतनी होती है?
नहीं, it increases the durability also. That's
Okay.
why see what we showcase here. Like we break a glass and we break a glass with a film. We showed it here. So it is like it's much more durable. The strength goes high,
Okay.
and at the same time it's like a very economical solution also.
And this is all glass tech, correct?
Yeah.
It's about amalgamating it with the glass product
Yes.
and within the glazed buildings and
Yes.
doors and windows, internal partitions, office partitions,
Yes.
shower cubicles, everywhere it can be used.
Yes, yes. Everywhere, like where there is a glass, we apply our films. Though if you ask about the company does much more. I mean, we
Sir,
do
everybody
paint
knows
protection
Garware. I
film.
think India में construction में ऐसा कोई नहीं है
Yeah.
जो आपकी कंपनी का नाम नहीं जानता है.
Thank you very much.
It's a household name. I should be honest.
Yes.
दो तीन ही major giants हैं जिसमें Garware is the leading giant in India.
Yeah.
What is the product that your company makes? One product that really excites you कि ऋषभ ये cutting edge है और ये हमारा favorite product है within the technology aspect of it.
Yeah. So in sun control, many people make a film which stops harmful UV rays, which stop the visual light, whatever you want, 50%, 70%. The most important aspect of the product is like how much IR you can cut, right, near infrared. So Garware has a product which cuts 99% of the IR, and this product we launched 2 years back, and in 2 years it is like everybody loving that. US is our #1 market, and that product is gaining so much of ground because no competition was able to make that product. So that IR 99 cut is outstanding product.
Oh, interesting. So I don't need to buy an ultra expensive glass for my building
Yeah.
where I can use films.
Yeah.
And the application of it is also something that does not take much time
Yes.
or expertise.
Yes, it needs little expertise, I will say, but we have expert team. I mean, they do the installation perfectly, and we have these installers all around India. But the solution is very economical, much more durable, and with the strength, and we do it easily.
Any business opportunities with Garware for traders, for people watching, for young students or young professionals who are looking to become business owners?
Yeah, see, now I would say, the young generation, they are like automotive crazy, they are car crazy, and we
Yes.
are seeing lot of traction for the people who love paint protection film in their cars. And I would say, since we started PPF in India, it's like 4 years, and we have trained more than 900 applicators. So they are going there and opening their own detailing studios and making PPF is a passion for them.
Wow.
So we created a lot of employment for young generation who are car crazy, and they love their work and they do it with a passion.
Wow.
Yeah.
Sir, you have a wide variety of range of products.
Yeah.
Because glass tech and glass applications are huge.
Yeah.
बहुत सारे अब अगर आप रेजिडेंसेस देखेंगे तो वहाँ applications अलग हैं.
Yeah.
You look at offices, it's different. You look at commercial buildings, it's different.
Yeah.
And it's not just that.
Yeah.
Glass is becoming a part of our regular lives everywhere.
Yeah.
You mentioned automotive.
Yeah.
You have different teams and different departments running the different industries. या
Yes.
कैसे चल रहा है?
See, like the organization is structured like I am the person who is heading entire sales and marketing, be it domestic market, rest of the world, and America. We have three different segments. Now we have segment heads for all the geographies, but we have also segment heads for different products. Like architectural per se,
Yes.
2 years back we did not have a separate person, but now we have a full team which we created 2 years back. The head and then 4 zonal heads, then regional managers for that. So we have created a full segment in architectural where they only focus on architectural glass. Then there is a team which is common for automotive. They sell both PPF and safety glazing films. So and similar model we have in USA as well. So it's a different team for different segment and different geographies.
And within the construction sphere,
Yeah.
what kind of or what type of professionals are
Yeah.
your clients?
See, now that's a big challenge. Like you don't get the same people because we are only leading manufacturer in India. So if I want a person who is working on the glass, either they are for the companies which are like world leaders, right? They export their products to India. But what we do is, like recently we hired couple of people from glass industry. They understand the glass pretty well, or the similar industry where building and all those things in their forte. So they learn that quickly because it is related to. We need a good connect with the builders, architects, and that community. So we find those kind of.
Awesome, sir. Any last words of wisdom or knowledge that you would like to share with my audience?
I mean, I'm really happy and excited to be at this exhibition. It's a great platform, and it's a very, I would say it's not a very big one, but it's a right size so that people can do the coordination with the right set of people. So it's very excited. I was really happy to be here, and I'm sure, I mean, this exhibition grows and we grow in India. And as I said, we are 90 years old organization and the only manufacturer of many of such products. So we feel really proud in being an Indian company, make in India. Thank you.
They are just testing waters with Mumbai right now. DR Bangalore is quite bigger,
Yeah.
and DR Delhi is even much bigger.
Yeah.
So we look forward to hearing from you there as well. We are the official podcast for all three platforms.
Yeah.
It'll be fun to see you and talk to you again, sir. Thank you for your time.
Yeah.
This was the code. This was Mr. Deepak Joshi. He's the director of sales and marketing at Garware Films, and I should say High Tech Films. That's the proper word. So yeah, if you have any questions, write to us. Have a great day.